The OpenRouter node in n8n lets you route your workflow dynamically to different AI models via OpenRouter.ai. This service acts like a unified API gateway for various LLMs, such as OpenAI, Mistral, Cohere, Anthropic, and others. With it, you can switch between models easily by updating a single API call. In n8n, this is useful when you want to A/B test model outputs, reduce cost by switching to cheaper models for basic tasks, or fail over to another provider. You just need to input your prompt and config options like model name, temperature, and top P. OpenRouter handles the rest. You can combine this with the function node to customize the prompt and downstream nodes to process the response. This gives you flexibility, redundancy, and access to a growing ecosystem of open and commercial models. It's perfect for use cases like chatbot responses, summarization, classification, and creative writing, all from a single integration point.